Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check that your PC meets Rdr2 minimum specs and has adequate free disk space. Once done, run the game as administrator and disable overlays from Steam, Discord, and GeForce Experience because overlays often block startup. Make sure Windows and your GPU drivers are fully updated. Also install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. These steps fix most launch blockers quickly and lay the groundwork for deeper troubleshooting if needed. Now you'll verify game files and dependencies to catch corruption. In Steam or Epic, run Verify Integrity of Game Files. In the Rockstar launcher, delete and redownload problematic files or clear its cache. Once completed, temporarily disable antivirus and firewall, then add the game folder to exclusions so security software won't block executables. Make sure DirectX and NET runtimes are installed and that file permissions allow execution. If you use mods or DLC, remove or reinstall them to eliminate conflicts that prevent launch. Finally, apply advanced fixes to complete the process. Reset GPU control panel settings to default, add safe or windowed launch options, and try running the game in Windows compatibility mode if needed. If the issue persists, fully uninstall and reinstall the Rockstar launcher and the game, then inspect Windows Event Viewer for specific error codes. Make sure to generate a DXDiag report and collect any crash logs. If nothing works, submit those logs to Rockstar support. Having detailed logs vastly improves troubleshooting and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.